Hello, we're going to go through the 7.5 worksheet here. Solution. So after you've worked on your worksheet, this is how you can check it here. So getting going here. Number one, tangent of A is going to be the opposite, 45 over the adjacent leg right here, 28. And we're going to simplify that. Can't really do that, so let's go ahead and approximate that. And 45 divided by 28 comes out to be 1.6. And then switching colors here, the tangent of B. Now with B is over here, the opposite is 28 over 45, and that's going to approximate to 0.62. Okay, and so here are my two answers here. Similarly, for number two, the tangent of A is going to be the ratio 56 over 33, which comes out to be 1.7. And then finally, the tangent of B, right here, there's my opposite, 33 over 56. And that comes out to be equal to 0.6, approximately. Alrighty, moving on. Find the value. These are kind of bread and butter type problems here. So here's my angle, and again, remember tangent is TOA. So opposite, so tangent of 50 degrees over 1 equals 13 over x. I'm going to set up all these here. We're going to say the tangent of 41 degrees over 1 equals x over 16. And then here, the tangent of 43 degrees over 1 equals 29 over x. Calculating now. We're going to go ahead here and tangent 50 is going to be 0.19. Tangent of 41 is going to be 0.87. And the tangent of 43 is 0.93. So now from there, we can go ahead and do our teacher-approved shortcut. So I'm going to multiply these guys and divide by that. So x equals 13 divided by 1.19, 10.9. Over here, we're going to get 16 divided times 0.87. Divided by 1 doesn't really do anything to change. X equals 13.92, which makes sense looking at these problems and triangles. This one, we're going to get 1 times 29 divided by 0.93 is going to be 31.2 for x, which does make sense. Alrighty. Moving on, I'm gonna have you skip these here. These are just related to the special right triangles. For these problems here, we're going to have to find this. We're going to have to find that. And again, remember perimeter is going to be add all sides. So, moving on first of all here. So I've got this across from that and that. So this is going to be the tangent of 36 over 1 equals x over 49. Tangent 36. 0.73, and then I can go ahead and do my teacher approved shortcut here. So x equals 49 times 0.73, so that's 35.77. Now to go ahead, so this is 35.77. So now I can take 49 squared plus 35.77 squared equals y squared. And from there, I can square root. Again, calculator time. So y equals, make sure we type this in right. And that will give us answer of 49.36. And so now finally the perimeter is going to be 49 plus 49.36 plus 35.77. So when I add these up, we're going to get the overall distance around the figure, 134.13, and we're talking inches. Okay? I'm going to have you go ahead and skip number 9. Our last problem here, applied problem, is talking about two buildings in close proximity to one another. We're actually looking at this little triangle right here. And remember, I've got this triangle right here. And if I have this parallel to that, if this is 59 degrees, then this is 59 degrees using our alternate interior angles theorem with parallel lines. The difference between the two buildings' heights, 320 minus 200 is 120. So that means this is 120 feet here. This is 59 degrees. This is a right angle here. And we're looking for this guy. So now with these three pieces, we can say I've got this across from that and adjacent to this thing. So again, it's going to be TOA. So we're going to say that the tangent of 59 degrees equals 120 over x. And if we go ahead and do tangent of 59 on the calculator, we're going to get 1.66 for that. And then if we do the teacher approved shortcut, we're going to take 120 divided by 1.66. So the distance between the buildings is going to be 120 divided by 1.66. So we get 72.3 feet rounded, and that's going to be between the buildings. Okay. My question is, why couldn't you just take a tape measure and measure between the buildings on the ground down here? So, okay. So there you go, folks. Check your solutions to this and do any fixing that you have to.